Alright folks, Suzuki is back with a serious update to a legendary nameplate. Meet the all-new DR-Z4S and DR-Z4SM, the long-awaited successors to the iconic DR-Z400 series. And trust me, these two machines aren't just nostalgia pieces. They're packing modern tech, fresh design, and enough attitude to tear up both the streets and the trails. Today, we're gonna dive into everything you need to know about these two bikes, from engine specs and electronic features to pricing and what sets them apart. So if you've been waiting for Suzuki to finally bring back a proper lightweight dual sport and supermoto, stick around because this one's worth your time. Both bikes share the same power plant, a 398cc liquid-cooled DOHC single-cylinder engine. It cranks out 38 horsepower at 8,000 RPM with 37 Nm of torque. The engine now features electronic fuel injection, a 42mm ride-by-wire throttle body, and upgraded internals like titanium intake valves, sodium-filled exhaust valves, a new camshaft profile, and a dual spark cylinder head for more efficient combustion. Top speed is around 150 km per hour, with fuel consumption rated at roughly 3.5 liters per 100 kilometers. Suzuki's Easy Start system also makes firing up the engine effortless, even on chilly mornings. Both the DR-Z4S and DR-Z4SM come equipped with the Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, featuring a drive mode selector with 3 riding modes, and a traction control system offering 4 levels of adjustment, including a dedicated gravel mode for loose surfaces. Braking is handled by Bosch ABS on both bikes, with the handy option to deactivate the rear ABS. On the DR-Z4S, you can even switch off the front ABS when needed. A clean digital LCD display delivers all the essentials: gear position, RPM, engine temperature, trip meter, and active ride mode. In terms of styling, both bikes rock a slim, aggressive bodywork inspired by Suzuki's RMZ motocross lineup. One standout feature is the compact projector headlight, which delivers bright illumination without relying on a bulky reflector. This allows for a more modern, sleek, and functional front-end design. This sharp, minimalist look reinforces the Supermoto and dual sport identity: tough, simple, and ready to tackle any terrain. Its compact and rugged stance gives it a proper battle-ready off-road vibe. The bold Suzuki S badge up front is another nice touch, even if its placement is a little unconventional. Overall, it's a clean, aggressive design that suits both daily rides and light off-road adventures, offering something refreshingly different from your typical street bike. Although they share the same engine and tech package, these two machines are tuned for very different personalities. The DR-Z4SM is the Supermoto version, featuring 17-inch wheels front and rear, wrapped in 120/70/17 and 140/70/17 road tires. The front suspension is a fully adjustable KYB inverted fork with 260mm of travel, while the rear sports a KYB monoshock offering 277mm of travel. Meanwhile, the DR-Z4S is a dual sport variant, designed to comfortably handle both tarmac and light off-road trails. It runs on 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, paired with 80/121 and 120/80/18 tire. The suspension has longer travel to cope with tougher terrains, and the seat height is taller compared to its Supermoto sibling. Weight-wise, the DR-Z4S tips the scales at 151 kilograms, while the DR-Z4SM comes in slightly heavier at 154 kilograms, both measured with a full 8.7-liter fuel tank. As for colors, the DR-Z4SM is available in solid special white number 2 and sky gray, while the DR-Z4S comes in champion yellow, number 2, and solid iron gray. When it comes to pricing, both models start at around $8,999 in the United States, 11,899 Canadian dollars in Canada, and roughly 9,699 euros in Germany. The first units are expected to hit dealerships by October 2025. So there you have it, the 2025 Suzuki DR-Z4S and DR-Z4SM. Two bikes with the same heart but totally different soul. Whether you're looking for a sharp-handling supermoto to carve up the city streets, or a lightweight dual sport that's just as happy on dirt as it is on tarmac, Suzuki's got you covered. Which one would you pick? Drop your choice down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more two-wheeled content, and I'll catch you in the next one.